This is the part no one tells you about starting over in your 40s. It's not because you're too old. It's because you have been doing everything in the hard way. And everyone around you is telling you how scary it is to start something new at your age. Starting over at 40s feels like you're trying to update your old iPhone with the newest software. The hardware is still working very well. Actually, it's even better, smarter, and stronger. But the old system is what is trying to hold you back. And no one talks about the real reason why it feels so heavy. It's not because you're behind. It's because you're too smart to struggle again all alone. And honestly, I didn't thought that this thing would help me to restart again. It's partnering up with AI. AI helped me with a direction. And in this video, I will give you the exact prompts what helped me and what can help you in finding your niche, your message, and many more. So let me start with the story. After leaving my corporate job when I was 35, I moved countries from Holland to Bali. I built my dream villas, healed my autoimmune diseases. I eventually became a mother. And now I'm on this journey because I realized something. I just didn't want to build a business. I wanted to do something meaningful, something that gave me freedom, spaciousness, to be wherever I wanted to be and travel with my family. I consumed thousands of hours of YouTube just looking for clarity. I was asking a lot of questions to ChatGPT, and then it hit me. I realized in order for me to want this life, I needed to create, to use my story, to use my voice to inspire other people who feel stuck. But there was a problem. I hated hearing and seeing myself on camera. So I decided to take a public speaking course. And it wasn't until recently that I did something I feared the most. I posted a video on my own social media channels because I feared the judgment of people I knew. And the feedback was something I never expected. It was a lot of support and encouragement. And people were sharing their stories and connected with me. And here I realized that fear is holding us back the most. That was my breakthrough. And that moment, something changed inside of me. I realized that maybe my voice was meant for someone else to find the courage back again. And this part I didn't expect, that AI would help me to find direction. It didn't tell me who I should be. It helped me with reflecting to who I already was. Whenever I felt confused, overwhelmed, unsure what the messages would be, AI helped me to find my niche, my purpose, the outline of the story I wanted to share. The input came from me. It didn't replace my intuition. It just amplified whatever I thought into the output, what I wanted to share out there. Okay, this is the most important part of the entire video, because if you're watching this and you are lost, stuck, unsure what the next direction will be, then these prompts, these exact prompts have helped me to find my direction, and I want you to have them. So prompt number 1, this is your identity clarity. What is the version of me I'm trying to become in the next 1 to 5 years? And what would you do differently from me today? Because this has become my North Star. Every decision from day to day, I subconsciously choose because I've written this one. Then, the next prompt is your message. What is the truth I wish more women our age knew that I learned the hard way. This is your message. Like, you will find the heart of your content when you use this prompt. Then the next prompt is your content direction. What would my younger self have needed to hear from me 10 years ago? This will help you with your audience and the tone of your message. Then prompt 4, your niche expansion. How does my personal story become a path for someone else? This will turn your life into your framework. And then the last one is courage activation. If no one knew me and no one judged me, what do I secretly wish I could say out loud? And this will help you unlock your voice. And now I am building something new, not from pressure, not from fear, but from clarity. Reinventing something new, it's like the tides here in Bali. They shift, they rise, they pull, but they always go forward. And you're not too old to start again. You just don't want to do it the old way, the hard way. So if these prompts helped you, write them down, save this video, and stay tuned for more videos about how AI helped me and how it can help you. Don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.